Solutions pumirma ng kontrata para siyasatin ang source code na gagamitin sa eleksyon 2016. Ang detalye sa ulat ni Julius Disamburo.
Nagpapatuloy ang Commission on Elections sa kanilang paghahanda para sa 2016 elections. Kaugnay nito ay lumagna sa isang kontrata ang COMELEC Global Solutions para mag-check ng source code ng mga makinaryang gagamitin sa eleksyon. Ang source code ay ang blueprint ng computer na gagamitin sa halalan na naglalaman ng human-readable instructions para sa counting. Ayon sa ahensya, ang nasabing kontrata ay nagkakahalaga ng 35 milyong piso.
SLI will be building the system, and that means taking all of the software components, including the commercial off-the-shelf components like the operating system and things like that, and building the election system exactly as the manufacturer specifies.
As reported by SLI and by the reviewers, the source code that was reviewed by them was a reliable source code, secure and accurate. That is what the Filipino people need.
Dagdag pa ng COMELEC, bukas sila na isa publiko ang source code review.
At the bottom line, that's what you want to show, the integrity of the counting process of the machines. This is a check and balance as a requirement also of the Republic Act 9369, to ensure that the system that we're running is free from any of these possible malicious lines.
Sinabi naman ni COMELEC Chairman Andres Bautista na isa sa naging dahilan ng pagkakapili sa nasabing US-based company ang kanila ding paglahok sa AES source code review noong 2010 at 2013 polls. Nakatakdang magsagawa ng source code review ang COMELEC sa Pebrero ng susunod na taon sakaling malaman na ang mga AES specifications para sa halalan 2016.
For 2016, we will have a dual review. So there will be a review of the base source code, which will occur before October 15. And then once the source code has been customized, then it will be again subject to another review sometime February of next year. Not mistaken, in 2013, the customized review happened 1 week before the elections.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Julius Disamburo.